It's just getting worse in Ontario. It's day 3. The coronavirus cases are going right through the roof, and over 200 new cases. So let's. I want to break it down. So Ontario, the last 24 hours, they reported 204 new coronavirus cases of the this morning, bringing the total number of cases in the province to 44,504. This is the third day in a row where the province has reported more than 200. So Friday was 213. Yesterday was 232, and today is 204. Yeah, we're in trouble, people. We're in trouble. So other reports have come in, though, like 27 public health units are reporting 5 or fewer cases, and with 16 other places reporting no new cases at all. So, but of course we're still in the same area. So, Toronto area, and 63 cases, still high, dangerous. I advise you not to go to Toronto unless if you are going for the actual reason, like shopping or maybe appointment or something arranged by your doctor. Okay, and Ottawa Region, 47. Peel Region, 35. So the numbers increased from like the 20s to the 30s now. And Ottawa has made a big jump. So we're in. So we're still in trouble. So anyone who basically the post-secondary students who are attending universities in Toronto. Like Humber College, University of Toronto, Ryerson, Seneca, North College, North York Branch, Centennial, and then Ottawa region. So like Algonquin College and University of Ottawa and other places though, and especially people students who are I know the people are this is happening all the time. Like the students are when they're not work doing in classes that they're sneaking over to Health Quebec and taking a drink, and I advise you not to. Why? Because I've told you this before. So if you maybe you don't know it, but you may have the virus, and if you go over there to Health Quebec, and then with the people and unmasked, and then you're going to just affect the people over in Hull, Quebec, and it's going to start spreading to Gatineau, Quebec, and other places, and it's just going to make things worse for you. And Toronto, same thing. So basically, flights are come out of Toronto, like domestic flights from province to province or country to country, and it has been reported at least one passenger has been tested positive for coronavirus. and Peel region, which is just west of Toronto. Now they're sort of in trouble. If you're not taking coronavirus seriously, we're like dead. And 64% of new coronavirus cases are people who are under the age of 40. So people better start following the coronavirus safety rules. Wear a mask, wash your hands, or sanitize your hands if there's no sink and soap around. And social distancing, do social distancing, and number 3, social distance thing. 2 meters, even if you're on public transit. Even if you're standing on the train platform or subway platform. It's especially subways. It's pretty dusty down there. And that's a new one. But people should have been done this a few months ago. Do not meet up with anyone else. Because you don't know where your friends or extended family have been to. Like maybe they've went to like a beach or like a popular place where people go to a lot, and coronavirus is active in that area, and they don't know it, and they breathe it in, and then they affect the people, affect you and other people when they in town or. I have seen so many stuff on social media about photos and such on Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat of people meeting up, and they're going to places and unnecessarily, and they obviously don't know could not know who's affected by the coronavirus. So unless if these people can actually 100% prove that I am tested negative for coronavirus, which you should. So if you're going to coronavirus testing, and make sure your results are negative, because that means you do not have the coronavirus. If you tested positive, then you'll have to stay home for 2 weeks until symptoms go away. So no unnecessary travel to meet anyone else, unless if it's unless you're shopping or it's an appointment or something that's actually important. But if you are meeting up with people at places, make sure everyone is wearing a mask, social distancing, and they have washed their hands and sanitized their hands.